What are the characteristics of a gang? Things you know about a gang. They all hang around together with people from that gang. They dress in a similar way to define themselves as the gang, to stand out to other gang members and to stand out to people who aren't in that gang. Some of that's done to intimidate and frighten people. And they rely on fear and intimidation. What kind of things do they do? Problems you hear being talked about. Things like they roll around in pool cars, where they all pull their money together, get a car, and then it's not actually in any of their names directly. It's not actually their car. They don't care how they drive it. They don't care what happens to it. Just jump in and out, whoever wants, when they want, cause they want, and go around committing their crimes. They carry weapons. They're always armed. They've got no fear of using them. Because in most situations they're in, there's no comebacks. You never grass a gang up, do you? You wouldn't ever give a statement against another gang member. You wouldn't ever go to court against another gang member. You wouldn't ever tell them to stop doing what they're doing because it's wrong. You'd actually encourage it. The more you resist, the worse they make it for you. They terrorise people, they threaten people, they keep people living in fear. You're walking around, minding your own business, doing nothing wrong, and they come up to you and they want to know what your name is, they want to know where you're from, they want to know what you're doing around there. And you have to answer them, don't you? What are you doing around here? What's your name? Where you from? Where you from? What are you doing? What's your name? Who are you? Who are you? What's your name? Tell me who you are. Or they recognise you and they're convinced that you're someone, so therefore they want to do something to you because they're convinced of who you are. And then if you don't tell them your name, they'll just carry on as if you are that person and mistreat you based on the fact that you are that person. They get their main income from the state and then they commit crimes on the side. There's nothing you can do about them. You end up living in fear of them, afraid to go out. Because you know they can just pop up at any time and do whatever they want when they want. Grab you up, beat you up, throw you into a car, take you off to some place not knowing where you're going, interrogate you, hold you for ransom. So what is a gang? What is your definition of a gang? What are the things that define a gang? They're a group of similar-minded people in a similar area, moving around together as a unit. Dress the same, act the same, talk the same, look the same. Develop their own code of speaking so that they can communicate to other people without being generally understood. Can you see the difference between these two images? Can you see how one gang is vastly different to the other gang? They both live off the state. We're all backing each other up. Found a victim and they want that victim to be their victim, so they're going to do whatever they want when they want, because they want. And the rest of the crew are there to back them up. It's just the The media tell us one of these gangs is the good gang. They're the gang that are there to help you. What are they doing to help? It's all the same, innit? Pull up in a car, they think they recognise it, they jump out. Who are you? What you doing? Why you round here? They don't recognise you, they jump out. Who are you? What you doing? Why you round here? Tell us where you live. Tell us who you are. Because if you don't, we'll do something to you. Mad, isn't it? Absolutely madness. Anyway, let you have your own thoughts on things.